Set yourself up for success with Lincoln Electric. We designed this versatile welding table and workbench for more than just welders. The large worktop is made from rugged 12-gauge steel. With over 200 mounting holes and slots for tools and clamps, you have plenty of options to keep that workpiece steady. Reach new heights with the Lincoln Electric Welding Table and Workbench. And with the sturdy carrying handle, the table is portable. You can take it wherever you need it. But after the job is done, it easily stores out of the way to keep your shop uncluttered. The table's loaded with features that make it a great addition to your tool lineup. It's built to last, easy to carry, simple to set up, and was designed to meet the needs for all kinds of projects. And if you add the optional wheel kit, you can push or pull it to your project. With Lincoln Electric, you can get it done like a pro. It's the perfect helping hand for any project. Visit LincolnElectricRetail.com for more info. And while you're there, check out these welding table and workbench accessories. Set yourself up for success with the welding table and workbench from Lincoln Electric.